So we have seen how to use input and get input from the user. Also we have seen how to use list to manipulate the elements, to add new elements and how to use them. Now let's combine both and do something like this. Like when your program starts running, it should ask you how many sides do you want to draw. Let's say I give here, let's say I give 4. Okay, then it should ask me 4 colors. Okay, the first color, let's say I give red. Okay, and then it should ask me 4 times, right? I need 4 sides. I need 4 colors for 4 sides. So blue, then green, and then yellow. So we give like these 4 colors. It should start drawing whatever I want to draw with those colors I have given. Again, she ask me other time, and then I give, let's say, 3 this time, and I give 3 colors: black, red, and then green. Let's say, again, see, it draws. So let's do something like this now. Let's see how to do that now using a program. So let me start a new file. Okay, let me start a new file. Okay, so first of all, you should import turtle. Okay, then let me finish all the stuffs. Paper equals to turtle dot screen, and then pen equals to turtle dot turtle. So this is the things we need for the basic. Then see here, it should ask me how many sides you want to draw. So I do that using an input, and let me get these values and store in something. These are actually the number of sides, right? So let me use a variable called sides and get the input, and make sure we have to convert that input into integer, because by default all inputs are strings. So I'm using this int so that we can convert this 4. Actually it comes as a string. We'll convert that into integer using this int operation. Okay, so how many sides do you want to draw? Okay, fine. So this input will get the number of sides. Now as the number of sides come, okay, we want to print it. So sides are sides. Okay, I'm just printing it. Fine, and make sure you are okay. We can just use comma, that will be better. Fine, and then as the number of sides, okay, sorry, it's asking me to save. Let me save this. Just Python programs. Okay, let me save in Python programs. Yeah, let me save it as second.py. Yeah, okay. So after this, I should get the colors. If it is 4 sides, I have to get 4 colors. If it is 3, I have to get 3 colors. If it is 5, I have to get 5 colors. So we can use a for loop, I in range, and in brackets give the number of sides as the argument. So those many times as number of sides, it will ask me for the color. So it will ask me like, okay, let me save in a variable color input, give a color. Okay, so she'll keep asking me until the number of sides get over. So if there are 4 sides, it'll ask me 4 times. But before that, I should have a list, an empty list with no colors at all. My color is equal to empty. Okay, it should be empty initially. Then as I get the color, I should add it to the list. How can I do it? Is by using the append function. You have seen this already. So I'll use append function to add whatever color I get to the my colors list. So this color, what I give, let's say I give red first, they'll get appended to the my colors. And let's print the list as and when we get the colors so that we'll be able to see whether the colors are getting added. That's how what's happening here. See, first it gets red, then red and blue gets added, then green gets added, then yellow. So as we get the color, it gets added to the list. Okay, fine, we got the colors, and now we have to draw. For I in range, again the number of sides. Now we have to choose the color. Pen dot color in bracket my colors of I. So this will choose the color. First color, first side, first color, second side, second color. And then we have to move forward. Pen dot fd 100. And finally, you have to turn right. The angle depends on the number of sides. So 360 by sides will give you the angle. We have seen this already. So this program will actually do this whatever I'm seeing here. But again, see, after you give everything and after you draw everything, it asks me the same question again. It comes back to the same question. How many signs you want to draw? So if you want to keep this, want to see this happening always, you have to put it inside while true. Okay. Otherwise, it will happen only once. So if you put it inside while true, which is an indefinite loop, it will keep happening. You can just keep giving sides and colors and keep drawing something. Okay. Let me save this. I'm running this. Yeah. Okay. So move this aside. Let's move this aside. Okay. Okay. Fine. So it's asking me how many sides you want to draw. Let me give 3. Sides are 3. Okay. Give a color. Red. And then again blue. Then green. Yeah. It draws. It asks me again 4. Give a color. Black. Red. Green. Okay. Another color. Right. Okay. Sorry. It's 4. And finally yellow. Yeah, it draws square. Let me try to give a pentagon, a 5-sided figure. So give a color red, green, yellow, blue, and then finally let's say purple. Okay, it draws a 5-sided figure. So that's how it works. So you made use of both the input function and the list append function to achieve this.